Manual configuration of Wi-Fi extender network settings.
Hello! In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to manually configure your Wi-Fi extender's network settings, specifically when you're trying to connect it to a router without using WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup. This guide is ideal for those situations where the router doesn't support WPS or it is disabled due to security reasons.
What do you need?
First of all, let's talk about what you're going to need. You'll need your Wi-Fi extender and a device with an internet browser, such as a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Additionally, you'll also need to know your router's SSID, the name of your Wi-Fi network, and your Wi-Fi network password.
Connecting the extender.
To start, make sure your Wi-Fi extender is plugged in and turned on. Connect your device to the Wi-Fi extender's network. This is usually a network with a name similar to the brand of the extender, and it should be open, no password needed.
Accessing the extender settings.
Once connected, open up your device's internet browser. You're going to type in the IP address of the extender in the URL bar. This can usually be found in the extender's user manual or on a sticker on the device itself. It's often something like 192.168.1.1 inches or 192.168.0.1. Hit Enter to load the page.
Configuring the network settings.
You should now be on your extender's settings page. The exact layout will vary by brand and model, but you're looking for a section or tab called something like Wireless Settings or Network Settings. Once you've found the correct section, you're going to input the SSID, name, and password of your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you enter these details exactly as they are on your router, including any capital letters or special characters. Select the correct security protocol for your network. Usually it will be WPA2 or WPA3. After you've entered these details, click on a button that says something like Apply, Save, or Confirm to save the changes.
Finalizing the setup.
Once you've saved the changes, the extender should reboot and try to connect to your router. If all the details were entered correctly, the extender should connect successfully. To verify, check the extender's connection status, usually indicated by LED lights on the device, or you can check the list of connected devices on your router's settings page. Congratulations! You've just manually configured your Wi-Fi extender's network settings and connected it to your router without WPS. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, feel free to refer to your extender's user manual or contact the manufacturer's customer service. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.